Let's learn ABC using sea animal names. A for angelfish. B for blue whale. C for cuttlefish. D for dolphin. E for eel. F for flying fish. G for grouper fish. H for haddock fish. I for isopods. J for jellyfish. K for krill. M for manta ray. N for narwhal. O for octopus. P for prawn. Q for quack. R for ringed seal. S for starfish. T for tiger shark. U for unicorn fish. V for viper fish. W for walrus. X for Zephyrsura. Y for yellow tank fish. Z for zooplankton. Thank you for watching our video. For more kids education videos, please subscribe to our channel and share our videos.